All right, peace and love, family. So, here's my strategy explained. We're just going to go through on these charts and we're just going to look at every time that we find a trend we like that, a trend I trade, using my strategy. We're just going to go through the chart and show y'all that it works, on multiple currencies, indices, or whatever, and any time frame. So let's check this out. I got one that I marked up for y'all so I could show y'all. But we'll go on other charts as well. So just stick around. All right, boom. So right here, like I said, so I'm gonna call this little motto right here: look for the hook. Just look for the hook, cause that's exactly what it looks like to me. So you see right down here, the top left, it drops all the way down, and it looks like a little fish hook. So when it goes all the way down and comes back up, and then the green and the blue cross over the red where the red arrow is at, that's where our safest entry point would be, right? And so we would hop in right there and then catch all those pips from that red arrow all the way up. And so that would be our beginner safest entry point. But if you see, look at our other confirmations, which is the RSI, we'll see that right down there, at the bottom where that last little line is, the very bottom going down, look at the RSI for right there. Talk about this point right here. This point right here, look at the RSI. It's right there by 30. So boom. So right here would be our beginner entry point, right? But I say more advanced. Once you get your skills down, you're like, oh, okay, right now it's about to cross over the green. I know, it keeps going down. And the RSI is right there, about to go almost below 30. So, okay, I'm like, okay, I can hop in right here and get a sniper entry and catch even more pips and ride it all the way up. And catch all those pips, and it works in reverse as well, catch the reverse hook, I think I'll call that, the rook, reverse hook for short, the rook, look for the hooks and rooks. So that red arrow is one hook, where we got, our little signal we're looking for with the green crossing over the red. So boom, I'm gonna fast forward into real time. It's Sunday, the market's about to open, and I'll show you what I'm about to hop into probably when it opens. This right here, we didn't see that it went down, and when it opens, it's probably gonna drop back down some more, around 103. Probably get close down to 30, and then that's probably when I'll start looking for around where I want to hop in. But let's just keep going. So boom, found, a little hook. Green crossing over the red. Another time, green crossing over the red. Look at all those pips you can ride up. Look at all of that, all of those pips. Red and green. Blue and green crossing over the red. Catching all those pips. Look how much it goes up till it reverses again. Another one. This is the reverse hook. You can do it the opposite way. It went up and up and up. Like I said, it's gonna give you like a little false trend reversal about 3 times. You know what I mean? So let's look. Okay, it goes up after it didn't cross down here. It goes up. Okay, it looks like it's gonna change right there. 1. Okay, maybe change. Okay, boom, 2, boom, 3, and then it goes down for real. So like I said, it's going to be about 3 or 4 little false breakouts until the trend reversal is permanent for a little while. And then you can hop in, So look for the hooks and look for the rooks. Okay. Another one, red crossing over the green. Look at all the pips that you can catch when it rides up before it changes. And And as you see at the very bottom, where you could hop in at the best, the RSI is always going to be down there by 30. Let's keep going. 15-minute time frame, if you couldn't see. So boom, green crossing over the red, goes up, all those pips to catch. Green crossing over the red. Don't mind that green arrow, that's for the other time frame. That's for the H1 I'm going to show you in a second. But green crossing over the red, the green and blue crossing over the red, just keep looking. Green and blue crossing over the red, all those pips you can ride out. All right, now let's go to a bigger time frame, the H1. Let's go through. Okay, green and blue crossing over the red, boom. Whole lot of pips. Green and blue crossing over the red, boom. A lot of pips. Green and blue crossing over the red on a reverse hook. It's going down, down, down. Look at that. Green and blue crossing over the red. My God. Yeah, so, not even marked, you could just see the crosses. Just trade the crossovers, guys. Reverse hook, look, going down. Just ride them out. Just ride them out. Green and blue crossing over the red. Sheesh. If you're a long, you like to trade, and hold trades for a long time, and you're, in it for long-term investments, just look at that. We can go to, bigger charts, weekly, monthly, daily. It's going to be the same thing, guys. Any chart. Let's just go to a random chart. NZDJPY. Boom. So this one's getting ready as well. Let's see. Yep. Yeah, so currencies against the Japanese yen right now. Probably gonna be a buy. Yeah, so you see that, look. It done did it 1, 2, and it's 3, and it's gonna go down again and then probably come back up. So I'll probably look at that one as well. Any time frame, the daily. Let's see. Green and blue crosses over the red, goes all the way up. You can just see. Now you probably just get a feel for it. You just see, oh, dang, anytime it crosses is when I probably want to hop in, You might be thinking, oh, I might have to wait days, or I might have to wait, weeks or hours, or no, just go to a smaller time frame depending on how you're trying to trade. It's all going to be the same thing. You see a hook, it's coming up, and it's probably going to go, this one's about to be, trend reversal, and it's going to be going up for a little bit. Just look, it's the same thing on any time frame, any chart, because this is just how it is with trading. It's price action. Once something gets overbought to a certain extent, it has to reverse, It's overbought or oversold. It's gonna have to reverse. You never see anyone where it's just a straight line, guys. It's going up and down all the time. And you catch those crossovers. Easy money. So now we're going to look at a little chart I drew up for you manually, and I'm going to show y'all on the whiteboard a little further in depth.